Hey friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record a Zoom meeting. So at first, we have to open a Zoom meeting or create or join a Zoom meeting. Well, when you have started a Zoom meeting, then go to this more option. And here you can see there is an option of record on this computer. Just simply click on it, and if you're muted you can unmute yourself. And now go again, and here you can see your recording is already has been started. So this is how you can record your entire meeting, guys. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. And after you have finished your recording, just click on stop recording.
Recording stopped.
And here you can see it's written that your converted MP4 file will be recorded and converted to MP4 file when the meeting ends. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.